Hello, good morning, good afternoon, viewers. Today, I'd like to discuss um, about Bill Gates' current situation and how Uranus Saturn opposition energy affected his current decision to separate from his wife. The Saturn Uranus square is happening currently now. It happened in February, March, and currently now in May, June, and up to July, and it will continue until in December, January, the last square aspect between these two planets that will affect many people's life. For example, in my case, this is affecting my fourth house of home and seventh house of relationship. And in my case, seventh house is wife and fourth house is home. And so my wife is pushing me to move away from this home and buy a bigger home in my current city or some other city. So in Bill Gates' case, this Saturn Uranus square aspect is happening in his. This is Bill Gates' art. He was born in 28 October 1955 in Seattle, Washington DC, Washington, USA, Washington State. You see that Saturn is transiting his seventh house of wife, and Uranus is conjuncting his 11th house of hopes, wishes, desires, friends, group associations. Um, in his birth chart, his seventh house is also ruled by Saturn, and because it is a bad aspect, and that ultimately made him to decide separate from his wife. If we look at the also his Vedic chart and Dasha period, we can see that um, his current Dasha Bhukti period is Mars Mahadasha, Saturn Antardasha, and Mars Prati Antardasha. So if we closely look from this window, it is started 25th of April to this year. Saturn Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha, Saturn Antardasha, Mars Prati Antardasha. So during this Saturn Bhukti, currently going on, his seventh of the relationship, and Mars also show exactly what is the problem that he ultimately decided to separate from his wife. Uh, if we look at his birth chart, we see that Mars is in inharmonious aspect with Moon, the emotions. Mars is opposing his natal Moon. Uh, if Mars was in good condition with this Moon, like a harmonious aspect with trine or sextile, then there is a strong possibility that this would not happen. And this is second most reason, and the current transiting planet between Saturn in his seventh house and Uranus in his 11th house. This energy pushed him to decide the separation and divorce that may happen within a year after the separation. Another thing I noticed why he is one of the richest man. You see this, his ascendant is a cardinal degree, and the ascendant ruler is in his 10th house cusp, and in his second house two very in big money making planet Jupiter Pluto conjunction, and his fortune point also 8,000 money. So that is the reason he is so rich. Another thing I noticed in his 4,000 home, and there are 4 planets. So I heard that he has a very big home, so many acres, and there is no other residents living near his home. So all these are fated. Um, from my experience, the last 15-20 years learning and practicing astrology, I have noticed that most, if not all, happens as per fated planetary as aspect in our birth chart. So if anybody is interested for a personal reading, here is my website, robuel1964.wixsite.com/astrology services. You can contact through the contact pages. You can write your name, email, and subject you need guidance, or you can email me robuel1964@shaw.ca. For career who have lost job, when there will be new opportunity, people who are thinking of relocating to other city where the next opportunities they will find. Then if there is any people looking to marry, when is the best time, or they will get the opportunity. And if some problem regarding relationship, if any divorce, the possibility in their life, or reconciliation. For young people like who are finishing their high school, which area they should go to for future success in their career. So all these matters, I have extensive experience, and you can contact me through my website for a reading. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful uh, to find out the truth in your life, and astrology is a great tool to know many unanswered questions in your life. You have a great day. Bye.